So I wanted to show everybody how easy it is to hook up the Beagle Cam to an Anycubic Cobra. So I had my wife buy one for her, and she's going to do it. You're going to see how easy it is.
Oh boy.
First, we open the box. Real quick, I almost forgot, you are going to need a mount. Now when you buy it on Amazon, this is everything it comes with. The instruction manual, the reset key, 2 cords, the plug, the camera, and it also comes with this that you're going to need for the Anycubic Cobra. By the way, this is not sponsored in any way. I bought my camera, she bought her camera, and we're just doing it to show how easy it is because these time lapses are amazing. The first thing you're going to want to do is take this off. I'm going to have her do that right now. And just like that, it's off. Now, put the mount on. And now that's on there. Now that it's on there, you want to plug it in. Now you download the app. On iOS, that is what it looks like. And now just create an account. And now we set up, and this only takes a couple of minutes. The only way I've done it so far, and it seems to be relatively easy, is the AP configuration. Now you do have to do it twice for some reason. I had to do it on mine and she had to do it on hers, but we are in. Big thanks to Sarah for the next part. Make sure the next thing that you do is update to the latest firmware. Pause to read, because that's where you're going to want to go. The update is done and we are back online. We are in. Quick upload. There it is. Now just hit print. It's not printing. I wonder why. Maybe it's because somebody forgot a step. Never once said I was smart. One end goes in the printer, and the other one goes in the camera. 50-50 shot. We all get it wrong the first time. Don't forget to change it in the app to what it is. And now try and print it. Print is successful and heating up. First print, you want to start with something small that's going to print quick so you can adjust the camera. Just like that, it is done. In the next bit, I'll show you the time lapse.